Want to cancel your Elementor Pro subscription? In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process so you can turn off auto-renewal in just a few easy steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Elementor is my go-to tool for building any clean, pro-level web design. You can try it out using my affiliate link and start building today. But in case you want to cancel your Elementor subscription, just open your browser and head over to elementor.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the top right corner and click on the profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select the Subscriptions option. This will take you to the Subscriptions page, where you'll see your current Elementor Pro package. For example, in my case, it shows that an Elementor plan is active. Under that section, you'll notice three options. Click on the one that says, Manage this subscription. Once you click that, the section will expand. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the billing information. Under the Renewal column, if it shows Auto, this means your subscription is set to renew automatically. To cancel this subscription, just click on the small Edit icon next to the Billing Information tab. You'll now see the Auto Renewal option. Just toggle it off. Once you do that, you'll see the renewal status change to Manual. And that's it. Your subscription won't renew automatically, and it will expire after your current billing period ends. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one.